Hey guys, I'm sure most of the people out there want to detox their body. Everyone is searching things about detoxing their body, searching a lot of videos, but they don't know the correct way how to detox your body. So in this video, let me clarify everything you need to know about detoxing your body, as this is your favorite thing. So guys, first of all, let us understand what are toxins. Toxins are the harmful substances that are derived from food, water, cleaning products, and also preservatives which are in the packed foods, and also through other environmental sources that enter our body by indigestion, inhalation, and absorption. Also, internally, auto-intoxication is a process where toxins are produced by our own body as a result of poor digestion and elimination, which a mucus is a very good example for that. So now this accumulation of the toxins become poisonous in the body and may damage to the vital organs and spoil the proper functioning of the body systems. So today in this video, let us talk about this in detail and let's see what Ayurved has to say about it. So guys, this is Varun and I welcome you all in the 153rd episode of Tuesday Talks. The toxins that are present in the body is unable to eliminate and are usually stored in fat tissues like other blood, bone, and also show some side effects. The side effects are like skin problems, which are acne, rashes, eczema, these are there, constipation, diarrhea, and some digestive problems, frequent cold and viruses, and also the things listed over here are the type of side effects that are there just because of the toxins in your body. Hormone imbalance, which is written over here, is due to the plastic utensils. So please watch my video, click in the I button and check that out. So let us learn the ways to detox your body and cleanse it. Detox diet are set to eliminate toxins from the body and improve health, promote weight loss, and this is done by use of laxative, diuretics, vitamins, minerals, and other food that may have detoxing properties. The body neutralizes or eliminates these toxins via kidney, liver, intestine, and also skin and lungs. So let us find some precaution measures so that we can detoxify your body. So here are the listed precautions, like you have to limit the alcohol, you have to focus on quality sleep, you can reduce the intake of salt, sugar, cheese, paneer and all, and also you can avoid beverage like tea and coffee. And one can also stop using plastic utensils. For that, go check my video, click on the I button on utensils. Take steam bath, exercise regularly. These are a few things that are there to detoxify your body. So let us now see what Ayurved has to say about it, because in every video I give you an Ayurvedic point of view. So let's continue. According to Ayurved, healthy body detoxify itself automatically. But today in modern times, the main reason of toxifying your body, the main reason of toxic accumulation in the body is your poor lifestyle and poor diet. So to detoxify your body naturally, you have to do a couple of things. You have to go for fasting for once a week, like have a fast on that day. Don't overeat, don't repeatedly consume meals, like have a gap of 4 to 5 hours between two meals. That's the thing. And also these are the things are listed over here. You can check these out, you can take a screenshot if you want. You can stop salt, curd, tea, lemon. This is very important for that. And also you can add beetroot, cabbage, turmeric in the foods, because these are very good blood purifiers. Your blood should be very pure for this thing. You can consume 5 to 10 black raisins every day. Check my black raisins video. Again, the link is in the I button. You can go there and check that. And also you can take 1 to 2 Triphala Tablets, which is an Ayurvedic preparation of Amlaki, Bhivitki, and also Haritki. So it's a combination of that. Before going to bed for a couple of weeks, if you're suffering from some of the health issues, you can take that. Check my video on Amla also. According to Ayurved, the best natural and easy way to detoxify your body in this world, and which is scientifically proven, is take a half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, yani jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, which is dhania, in a glass of water. After 12 hours, filter the mixture and consume it sip by sip. Repeat this after every 12 hours for a couple of weeks. You can find miraculous benefits of this thing. Just keep it in a glass of water for 12 hours and filter it and then consume it sip by sip. Repeat this after every 12 hours for a couple of weeks and you will be through. This is a very miraculous benefits of it this has, and also this combination must be used even by a healthy person once a week for a very healthy and good life. This is the best way to detoxify your body. Also, please consult Ayurveda for more details on detoxification and suggestions according to your body needs. So guys, I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope I gave you a very good information on detoxifying my body Ayurvedic way, and there are no side effects of this thing. You don't need to have to purchase any sort of thing like all the other videos are saying right now on YouTube. You don't have to purchase anything. This is one thing which is very cheap. It's in your households and you can just take it as I have stated that. So guys, I hope you all like this video. This is Varun Lilani signing off.